What is it? You're protesting. You're protesting your milk. But then you cry when I take it away. Why? What? Why are you protesting your milk? Why are you protesting your milk? See? You cry. You pretend you want it. I don't quite understand why you're protesting it. You push it away. You don't know what you want. And then I give it back. You're being funny. Whatever. Say goodbye.